Natural ecosystems of the world. Ecosystem is one of the higher levels of organization of living world. We can consider ecosystem as the self-sustaining unit of biosphere. Let us learn about the different types of natural ecosystems seen in the biosphere. Natural ecosystems are broadly classified into aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. Let us consider the types of aquatic ecosystems. Aquatic systems are of two types. Lentic. This includes stagnant water ecosystems. You can easily recall a few examples. They are ponds, lakes, reservoirs, etc. Each of these is with its characteristic communities of organisms. Plants rooted to the bottom and algae attached to the plants and to any other solid substrate are the producers. The consumers include tiny crustaceans, flatworms, insect larvae, snails, frogs, fish, and turtles, etc. Lotic systems. These are flowing aquatic ecosystems. Examples of these types of ecosystems are rivers, seas, and springs. The habitats available in rivers and streams differ in several ways from those in lakes and ponds. Because of the current, the water is usually more oxygenated. Photosynthetic plants play a minor role in the food chains here. A large fraction of the energy available for a consumer is brought from the land. Example, in falling leaves. Now, we will move on to terrestrial ecosystems. There are four major terrestrial ecosystems. Grassland ecosystem. Grasslands are comprised of a variety of herbaceous species. Grasses with additional wildflowers and other shrubby and thorny plants suited to this open habitat dominate these areas. Generally, they remain devoid of trees because of frequent fire disturbance and heavy grazing. Dead and burnt plant remains and extensive root systems cause soils in the grasslands to have very high organic matter, rich in nutrients. The animals include grasshoppers, locusts, falcons, hawks, deer, cheetah, etc. Desert ecosystem. Deserts are usually seen between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The desert gets heated up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius during the day. During the night, the temperature drops to near freezing. The desert is characterized by its meager annual rainfall. One animal in the desert is the camel, which can stand considerable dehydration. Another animal is the horned toad. Some plants like cacti grow in the desert. Tundra ecosystem. The tundra is one of the major land ecosystems that is cold and gets ice covered. Here, the average temperature is -28 to 5 degrees Celsius. Common animals are polar bears, ducks, geese, sandpipers, weasels, ground squirrels, Arctic foxes, wolves, rabbits, and penguins. The tundra's common plants are dwarf willows, lichens, moss, grasses, and assorted flowers. Forest ecosystems. Forests may be tropical or temperate. The tropical rainforest is a unique environment. It is a home to more than 30 million species of animals and plants. Some of the animals that live in the rainforest are jaguars, keel-billed toucan, frogs, monkeys, and many other animals. Did you know that some of the trees in these forests could reach a height of 250 feet or more? Temperate forests have deciduous trees and seasonal variations. Forests are generally damp and moist.